Back with another boot chug, this time Coke Zero. This makes me burp just taking a small sip, so this might be epic. I don't know if I can chug this whole thing in one go, but we'll try. Are you ready?
Yep.
Alright, cheers. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, tingly. I got a burp before I throw up. I'll finish now. I'll finish with a good one.
This was the hardest one.
Alright, this will be a good one.
Urge to barf was rising. I feel better now, though. It's one of my slower chugs. Those were some epic burps. I still feel some more coming.
Got me
I'm
back.
sure Stir Fry has some. Oh.
That's it. Oh.
So this is expert level chugging here. If Gatorade is beginner level chug, this is expert. Oh, you got to finish.
Oh, I feel
Finish
sick,
your
though.
chug. You can do it. Mind over bladder, like Badlands says. There you go. This one was hard. Don't know if we'll do this one again. The only thing I can imagine being worse would be Fresca. So maybe we'll do Fresca next. Thanks a lot. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Love to hear from you. Thanks a lot.